Hi, this is Marketa from Souma Diaries, and this is one of the first videos we are making. I'm on my way to meet Marek, and we are going to the city to film some content for our Brompton accessories. And if you would like to see how it's going, what we are doing, this will be just a fun day in a life vlog style video. Yeah, from the city, from workshop, and yeah, we are now planning on making more and more of these videos. So we hope you will enjoy it. We are planning a lot of videos from the workshop as well, how we make the products, the process, the ups and downs. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. So when we are going to shoot some content, we always gear up our Brompton with different accessories, and this time we chose brown leather, and we will mostly be shooting our carry handle, going up and down the stairs, and also taking some nice pictures. So when we shoot outside, we always try to do as many takes as possible, and then usually I cut them into different reels and videos. We always have a lot of ideas in our heads, but unfortunately, often the reality is so much different. Sometimes it just isn't working out, it doesn't look as good as we thought, or the idea is just simply isn't as good as we imagined. Anyway, this day actually worked out perfectly because after we arrived back at the workshop, literally about like 10 minutes later, there was a special delivery and we received a new batch of leather. I forgot to take out the camera when we were unloading the leather from the truck, which I'm kind of sad about it because everything together weighed around 320 kilograms. So it was really heavy and we had to use a forklift to get it out of the truck, and I think it would be kind of cool to have it on camera, but it's okay. I'm always surprised when I see the leather all packed because I'm always expecting it to be much bigger. I don't know why, but in my head, I expected just something like 3 times the size of the package we received. Anyway, after that, we put it in front of the workshop, and Marek started to unload all the leather, color by color. Unload the leather onto these metal holders. They are super old, and we bought them when we were buying one of our sewing machines from this old German company that was actually closing down. Unfortunately, they only had 2 of them, and since we have 3 main leather colors, we need one more. Unfortunately, we can't really find another one that would meet our expectations. So we are actually planning to have one custom made, but it's one of those things that's been sitting on our list for a while. So yeah, we really need to get this done. Since we ordered 2 thicknesses of leather, Marek had to measure some of them to make sure it was correct. You can't tell by just looking at it, but every millimeter counts. So yeah, we had to make sure it matched exactly what we ordered. For most of our products, we buy thicker leather because we can split it to different thicknesses if we need to, since each of our products has different leather thickness. But for our briefcases and saddlebags, we buy a little thinner leather because we need the inner side to be treated, so we buy it ready to use. And since we bought a lot more leather than last time, we really need to figure out where we will all store it. Once we finished unloading, we had to give the leather some love, and then we moved on to making some coffee because we are both big coffee drinkers. I love my cappuccino. We have a 60-year-old machine at home, and I perfected my cappuccino, so it's even hard to find better one in a coffee shop. But I don't have that in the workshop, and Marek drinks filtered coffee, so I need to get used to it. Yeah, I'm getting there. But that's pretty much it for today. If you watched this until the end, thank you so much. We are preparing a lot more content, so stay tuned. And if you don't follow us, hit that subscribe button so we can meet the next time.